Unlock the code to success with my exclusive Coding Ninjas referral code. Hey, future coders. It's Ninja Coder, and I've got something special for you. If you're ready to dive into the world of coding with Coding Ninjas, I've got the golden key just for you. Imagine graduating as a coding ninja, conquering challenges, and standing tall in the world of tech. Well, that dream is one step closer with Coding Ninjas. Now, here's the secret sauce. By using my exclusive referral code, you'll unlock a world of benefits. A 10% discount on all Coding Ninjas courses. Yes, you heard it right. Claiming your discount is as easy as writing a "Hello, World" program. Simply visit Coding Ninjas using the link in the description, select your course, and start your learning journey. Ready to code your success story? Click the link in the description, use my referral code, and let's make your coding dreams a reality together. Visit the description box for the referral code and start your amazing journey.